Okay, so I said I was gonna do it. These are some of my must-haves that are in my kit that are really inexpensive, that are great just for the product. So starting off with number one, I would have to start with concealer first. You guys see me use it in some of my videos. I do use it quite a bit, and I do have other ones, but this one I tend to go back to just because the product wears really well. It does great on camera. It is the LA Girl Pro Concealer High Definition. You guys have seen me contour with it. You've seen me outline my brows with it. You can do a lot with it. And if you need correction, they sell them in all the corrective colors. So I have purple, I have green, I have red, I have yellow, I have lighter, darker. Yeah, I mean, you could even contour if you wanted to. They sell some really deep colors. So you got some of these darker ones for some of my lovely tan ladies. But they are great, and look at this price. Do you see that? That's $3.99. I mean, you can't beat that for that price. I want them in every shade. So, must-have number two. If you are a lip queen like me, I do like lip gloss if I'm just trying to like do natural lips, but sometimes I like a matte lip gloss and I like it to last and I like it to look good and I like it to come off easy when I want it to come off. And this Ruby Kisses Forever Matte, another amazing one, and they make so many colors, including black, purple, blue, if you like the funky ones like I do. There's some natural colors that I love. I mean, the consistency is great. It works great. It dries and it's like, it's kissable and it comes off really easy. So it's not like the All Day Stays where your like lips are dry and cracking and you're like trying to like peel it off in the middle of the night. It's great. Once again, another inexpensive price. It's $3.99, $4.99 in some places. I have them in every color. I love them. I give them as gifts for some of my brides when they want mattes, because then they can take it with them all day long. Number three would be, I am in love with Urban Decay glitter. Like, I have a lot of their colors, this rose gold, and they're awesome. They're heavy metal, but you know me, they run anywhere between $18 and $20 a piece. Yes, for glitter. And they tend to dry out, and they tend to, I haven't been a big fan lately just because they've been drying out quicker than normal. And I mean, I'm sealing those things. But I did find the alternative to some glitter that works just as good. The glitter is not as thick as the heavy metal, but the consistency is great. And it's another one by Ruby Kisses, and they make it in gold, teal, and I believe silver and purple. I have all those colors too, but I just wanted to show you the teal because most people would think the teal would be kind of like clear and barely there and the glitter is little, but it's really not. I mean, look at that. I would like you to see. I mean, it's great, and that one dries, and it's just such a good product. Another $3.99, $4.99 product that is unbelievable. One of my favorites that I use all the time is the NYX Eyebrow Gel. Like I said, it is waterproof. Like, these brows ain't coming off. Look at that. I mean, so, and I've gone swimming and my eyebrows are still there, which is amazing. But I will say, if you don't get that off your hand like it's been there from earlier, and I'm gonna have to like peel it off my hand there. No, I have to use some soap to really get it off. So, but that's a good thing if you want your eyebrows on. I'm not, like I said, a big fan of pencil smears. I live in Florida. It is hot. I do not want to watch my eyebrows melting down my face. So having this is great. If you do want something that isn't so permanent and light, here's another great product. Okay, I got it at the Dollar Tree. If you watch my Dollar Tree makeup video, you know, I went in there buying stuff, not expecting much, just expecting to put together a look, but I ended up really liking this product. So for days that I don't want to like spend the time making my eyebrows absolutely perfect, and I just kind of want to run out the door but still have eyebrows, and I have to say that because I have blonde eyebrows, so they're not as easily as somebody who has black and stuff, but they do make a dark medium, light, even black. But this stuff goes on great. You literally just brush it on and it really fills in. And I would suggest having hair on your eyebrows in order to use this stuff, because you can't really like paint it on like with the eyebrow gel, but it works great. And another product I absolutely love, and it's like a quick out the door, great to be in your gym bag with some chapstick. And last but not least is this Wet n Wild highlighter. Another one I got at Halloween time, but they have it year round, and they have rainbow one, and they have a couple of, and this highlighter worked so well, like I absolutely loved it. I had to go and buy more. So I have to show you how pretty it is. I mean, I'm so white you can't see anything anyway, but I don't know if you can see that. Do you see how pretty that is? I mean, like, let's see here. And it's got, this one's blue, so it has like a little icy color, which is really nice. I don't know, it's just one of those ones I like to have. Whenever I find new stuff, I can't wait to tell you guys, because everybody should be able to have products that they love and not break the bank. So I hope you go out, get some of these, see how you like them yourself, but they are great. You could save yourself a lot of money on some things, especially if you're one of those, you know, people that love lipsticks that are $40 and $30. You could really save yourself with $4 and $3. Just saying. So thanks for watching, and I'll definitely put out some more videos of some things as I find them.